Hello and welcome to this live stream tour today of number 62 Clivedale Road here in Woodley. My name is Gary, I'm from WhiteKnights Estate Agents and I'll be giving you the tour. So first of all, just to explain, we've got a detached house here. It's on a corner plot. It's got a double storey side extension. So flexible accommodation. It could still be used as a 3-bedroom house with a dressing room, or it could be used as a 4-bedroom house. So let's just firstly show you the location on the corner. This is Keats Road, and spinning round, this is Clivedale Road, and if I keep spinning round, we've got Kipling Coast close opposite, and then we've got a sort of dead end road, hence you'll see no traffic whizzing by. So the road itself is a quiet road for traffic passing the door. So let's just make our way around this side now. I'm just going to take you down the driveway. So whilst I'm making my way to the house, just to let you know that I'm making a recording of this, so if you want to rewatch it later, you're welcome to. It should be saved online. Also, if you want to ask any questions, please do type away, let me know. Send it through to me and I'll answer those questions as best as I can as we walk round. And also, if you want to arrange a viewing appointment of this property, then just click on the button that says request a private inspection, and that will then send a message to us and let us know that you want to have a look inside. We'll give you a call and we'll book your appointment. So I'm just going to turn round, having closed the front door. There's the front door that we've just come through, but pointing out that we've got a double width built-in cloaks cupboard just there in front. So from the entrance porch it takes us into the lounge. So let's just close the door behind me, and this is a good sized room actually. It's like an L shape. We've got a sort of lounge area here. Let's just try and show you the lounge area a little bit more. There's a focal point there of the fireplace. But it does then move around the corner here into this area as well. This would have originally been a sort of lounge diner, but actually the door in front of us there takes us into a dining room. So what we're looking at here is really all lounge. Let me just step back this way and give you a slightly better idea of just how big this room is. There's a door here taking you into the kitchen. If I spin round, you'll see through the patio doors here, sliding patio doors, a nice view of the garden, very private aspect as you can see. I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour. But spinning round further, this door takes you into which is actually part of the extension. So this is a separate reception room. As you can see, it's the dining room. And the window there, rear aspect. Let me just show you what the view is from here. That gives you a view of the garden. Like I said, very private. It's a good sized garden as well actually, probably bigger than it looks just because we've got quite a few bushes there. So that's the dining room and the lounge. Let's go through here, show you the kitchen. We've got a kitchen, a utility room, a toilet, and also a door direct to the garage. So yeah, there's actually a kitchen breakfast room, because as you can see we've got a breakfast table and chairs there. I'm just going to walk into the room and turn around and look the other way, just to give you a slightly better idea of what we have. Rear aspect window, as you can see. The windows, by the way, they're UPVC double glazed sealed units. And work surfaces there with a range of base units, and we've got some eye-level units there as well. Just beneath this here, I'm going to point out, I've just opened it up, we've got an integrated dishwasher. And then again, that's the breakfast table area. And then I'm just going to spin around again, Little recess under the stairs. Looks like they've got a fridge freezer slotted in there neatly. And then this door takes you through to a utility room. Little work surface ahead of me there. But if I spin round, you'll see that's where another work surface is with the appliance space. Obviously that's the washing machine, so it looks like we've got plumbing for the washing machine there. Door taking you into the garden. There's a door behind me actually into the garage, but I'm just going to show you first of all the WC. Low level WC there with a window and a wash basin. And then spinning round, this door takes you straight into the garage. So the garage is full, used for storage, as you'll see straight away. But I can, if I step in, give you an idea of the size of the garage, because actually it's quite a reasonable size. It's a decent single garage. There's the door in front, taking you to the drive. A couple of side aspect high level windows there. Power and light. Good to have direct access from the house into the garage, because that just really means that you've got easy storage space. So let's now take you back into the house here and let's show you the upstairs. I've just got a message that's come into me that asks about school catchments for secondary. We are actually in the Wangels College catchment. That's the main one for this property in Woodley. And sorry, there is one other message that's asking me about facilities. I take it you mean shops. That's what most people normally mean. Well, shops for this property, literally within walking distance. We've got a mini market literally at the end of Clivedale Road opposite in Coppice Road. Equally, Woodley Shopping Centre, of course. Great facility for us to have in Woodley. That's actually not far away, I think, for most people within walking distance. So upstairs, we have the main bedroom first of all, which is this one here. As you can see, we've got a double bed in situ there. It's a side aspect window. I'm going to spin round because you can see we've got space for a range of wardrobes. They're freestanding, but almost certainly going to be included in the sale. And then we have a bedroom at the back here. Now this is where the extension actually comes into play upstairs. So this is the original second bedroom here. As you can see, we've got, whilst there's a single bed there, to be honest, there's plenty of room for a double bed against that wall. It's just the way the furniture is laid out there. We've got a rear aspect window there, sink unit in the corner, more furniture space. But the door here takes you into the fourth bedroom or the dressing room or whatever you want to use it as you can see, used as another bedroom. So this one has dual aspect windows, front and rear. There's a radiator under the window there as well. Space for wardrobes on that wall. Okay, and then let's go back through this room here and I'll show you the fourth bedroom, which is at the front. That's over here. This is a single room, although it does have a fitted triple wardrobe. Front aspect window first of all, as you can see. There's the bed there, and then back in the corner here, as you can see, we've got a triple wardrobe in the corner. Space for a chest of drawers there. Yeah, it's actually quite a good size fourth bedroom, to be honest, when you consider all the furniture that's in there as well. So we're going to finish the upstairs. I'm just going to show you the landing. This was the staircase that obviously I came up, but quite a big area here on the landing. It does actually have an airing cupboard just to my right hand side. This one here, that's the airing cupboard. But then, yeah, last but not least, on the first floor, we've got a bathroom and a separate WC. Here's the bathroom. Now, this is quite big, actually. You can see the bath there. It's a wide suite with quite nice tiling. We do have a plumbed in, there you go, there's a power shower. I think it's an Aqualiza, but it's a power shower unit there with a glass shower screen. There's the wash basin. In here is a cupboard. Now this is where the gas-fired boiler lives. There you go, a Worcester Bosch boiler. And in the bathroom, to finish, we've got quite a nice tiled floor, and then just around to the left here, as you can see, we've got a heated towel rail. So the WC on this one is separate, which is here. Straightforward, low level WC, and this actually does have a window in it as well. So that just about gives you a tour of the house itself. There is no onward chain here, so it's vacant possession. I'm going to make my way downstairs, and let's go through the sliding patio doors in the lounge here and show you the garden. So you saw the front being the corner plot, so it's got a really big front garden. Let's open these doors and now show you the rear garden. So firstly, to the right hand side, as you can see, we've got a big patio area, pretty straightforward. Lawn with fencing. As I said, we've got quite a few bushes and trees. Let's just show you the area here. Another little patio area tucked away there in the corner. And then if I move to my left here, you can see, in fact, I make my way through this archway here. We've got another area of lawn here, which takes you around to that patio I just mentioned. And then to my right hand side right now, we've got a little enclosed area where there's a garden shed. So perfect for a bit of extra garden storage, recycling, that sort of thing. So yeah, in fact, I'll just take a little wander up here and show you the back of the house. So I'm on this second patio, hiding in the corner. So that's the back of the house itself. Quite a wide house. You can really appreciate it from the rear, just how big the house is. So back towards the patio, and that just about comes to the end of the tour. So if anyone would like to, I can see I've had a couple of people request a viewing appointment, so we'll give you a call. If you'd like to add to that, then please do click on the request a private inspection button now as we come towards the finish of the tour. So if you're watching a recording of this, by all means do phone the office. Telephone numbers on the website. Book a viewing. Any questions, my name's Gary. Do ask for me. So it just remains to say thank you for watching.